aba nibagira ngo bariyo nibareba ko ibintu birukorwa rero nabo bwanyuma babitwara umwanya gwabo ogu barikwebembera. Richard Rwabuhinga ori chairman LC5 ahabwa fotopoto omurutaya yoru ori kuza kumara ibiro bishatu nagira ngo fotopoto etuyire ine kizibu cy'abana kwinjira bakiri bato kandi batuyire batine kuba kubasa kutekeragira icyo mu ngora.
Could not get a place where that ordinance is operation. But after doing a lot of search, we came to land on Mbarara, in particular regard to this child protection. And it is our desire that by the end of this, it is our output, that by the end of this calendar year, that is the end of the second quarter, we should have an ordinance in place for Kabarole district regarding child protection.
Mande Christopher or district community development officer ahabwa fotopoto yashobora Kabarole yona heina abana bari kutwara bakiri bato kandi aba bari habucweka mwenda hari 10 buri mezana
zara batakabere ku myaka yo kuzara wete teenage pregnancies nga Kabarole tukere twine aba abana mu wingi otuekalire n'abatukoragana nabo runde abakutukwateraho ba SOS Children's Village bekiriza kutuyamba kuleta ekiragiro ekirashobora kutangira
ogu yayongera yagira ngo nkabembezi bagerezeho gukoragana n'ibitongore bingi kushomesa abantu ahakizibweki kandi yashobora ngo nabakuru ba district nibataho inchiko za burkire kureba ngo kizibweki cyahwaho
partnership icho kurora we attracting partners nka SOS kuja mu district bakatuyamba. Another thing between relevant offices is kutasagika in form of sensitization kandi kusomesa ogu kwikara nikubaho betatu twine ekitukweta dark monthly meetings from the district action center.
Abaira abana abengi kuba tugenda kiroraniza nsanga ngo hihi onko buchweka obukwinganingana nka munana undi mwenda hari 10 abana batalebanizibwe barugo masomero hanyuma yo kutunga endezi bategondize ruri no kubasweza batakayikira.
Bamwe ombazire bayoreka ibirukureta abana aba batungenda bakiri bato kandi nebikorwa bibi ebirukorwa muri fotopoto.
Hari okunywa amarwa n'ibitamiza bikabohereza ukutangatangana abantu abatasemerire ukubatwara omumi bikorwa mbere bakusobora okwiha enda.
Kandi uri statute mbejana balinde uri muhandike by'amagara ha district ya fotopoto yayoroka ko abazire bine kutamamana mengi kushomesa abana babo okwetantara okwejumbiro mbikorwa binkebi.
Abazire twina kuteka mwamani okwikara nitwegesa abana baitu okwetantara ebisimba ebibi ebirumu abantu abatarkwetwaza kurungi omungeso zabo.
Didas Tabaro ori mukuru w'intebe ya katana habwa district ya Mbarara yagira ngo ubwanyuma yo kutekeragire cyo mu nkora ebitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe bikayambaho umukoragana n'abantu ba burijo ahaba kuba bunkabembezi hina hibarukoma.
Dreams helped this district so much in empowering those young people that are out of school. Yes, even when they get issues of pregnancy and they produce, then we should have to look for a way forward. This person is not yet wasted, but she was just unlucky that things happen.
Obucweka 34 aharigana bwabishikiye mu Uganda nibashwirwa batakakize imyaka 18 kandi obucweka mushanjo aharigana nibashwira bakiri bato kandi muri yabo obucweka 15 n'ubucwanyaguruka mukaga aharigana n'abana babojo. Job Kato abwa Sky TV ya Genshonga muri Mbarara 18 kandi obucweka mushanjo aharigana nibashwira bakiri bato kandi muri yabo obucweka 15 n'ubucwanyaguruka mukaga aharigana n'abana babojo. Job Kato abwa Sky TV ya Genshonga muri Mbarara.